Your AI agents are smart, but what about the questions that they can't answer? That's where the Unresolved Questions Analytics comes in. It helps you find blind spots in your data, improve your content, and make your AI smarter over time. To find Unresolved Questions Report, you go to Bot tab, AI Agents, and find it under Analytics. Here you can see the main metrics by selecting the bot and the time frame. Now, the question only appears here if AI truly can't find an answer, where there's not enough data in the knowledge base, custom answers, maybe some vague queries, or some new requests. General metrics here would be how AI handled questions, the number of unresolved, whether the route the team was offered or not, and how conversations ended. In this case, means AI couldn't answer the question, and the conversation ended as resolved. Routed to team, conversation ended by transferring to the team, and abandoned, conversation ended with the customer leaving. Now here is the dashboard. You can see the questions, the appropriate text, whether the route was offered or not, and the outcome of the conversation, marked color-coded according to how AI handled questions. Now, you can use the text to just filter and spot repeating themes. They are created automatically with AI for your convenience. And also you can check fallback behavior. Did AI offer to route your team or not? You can now click into the question to review the conversation and see why AI failed. From here, you can view or edit your proposed data source. Just to clarify, AI splits your content into small chunks for training and selects the most relevant chunk for each reply. Here you can see which chunk was used and jump directly to the data source to edit it. Now you can jump straight to edit custom answers and update your knowledge base if that's the better place for it. You can use the preview panel on the right to see the part of the conversation where AI couldn't respond properly. And from here, you can also open the full chat in the inbox. If AI behaved oddly, this helps you understand why and tweak its instructions. Now what to do next? You can add missing knowledge base articles or custom answers, then mark the conversation as resolved. You can keep an eye on tags to uncover some repeating gaps. And consider training multiple AI agents for different domains, for support, billing, etc. Think of this tool as your to-do list for improving AI and understanding what customers ask about. Check it regularly to make your AI smarter, and go check your Unresolved Questions report today.